In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Payments to receive payments. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the exact spots in QuickBooks where payment options live and how to get a new method ready to go. To begin, open QuickBooks and look to the top left of your dashboard. Click on New, then choose Invoice. Even if you're not ready to send an invoice yet, this is the quickest way to reach the tools that control how your customers can pay you. Opening an invoice brings up the workspace where payment settings are most relevant, so you can see what options will appear to your customers when they receive your bill. With the invoice screen open, move your attention to the top right and click the Manage button. This button opens the area where online payment settings are organized. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the invoice page and that you have permission to adjust payments in your company file. The Manage panel is designed to centralize everything related to collecting money on invoices, so it's the right place to review what's enabled and what's available to set up. Here, you'll see the settings for your payment options. This page typically shows which methods can be offered to customers, like cards or bank transfers, along with basic details about how each one works. Take a moment to read the descriptions so you understand which options make sense for your business. It's helpful to consider factors like processing fees, deposit timelines, and customer convenience when deciding what to use. When you're ready to add something new, click Setup to set up a new payment method. That setup link starts a guided process that walks you through connecting the payment method to your QuickBooks account. Follow the prompts on screen. They're designed to keep things straightforward. Having your business details handy, as well as the bank account where you want funds deposited, will make this go faster. Depending on which payment methods you select, each will have its own way to connect your account. For example, some methods may require quick identity checks, linking a bank for payouts, or verifying ownership through small test deposits. Others might connect instantly through a secure sign-in. Just follow the on-screen steps for the method you choose and complete any verification that's requested so your payouts flow smoothly. That's all. You clicked New and opened an invoice, used the Manage button to access payment settings, reviewed your options, and used Setup to add a new method. Once that's done, your chosen payment options will be ready to appear on your invoices so customers can pay you with ease.